Hello, friends, and welcome back to my channel. So, I'm back again with another dialogue. This is dialogue number 70, and this is about depression issues. And this will only contain the segments and not the translations of it. I would give you a few days to practice this dialogue and come up with your own translations. And also, please score yourself while you're doing so. Okay, as it will give you a very good feedback as to how you are going about with nati practice, and also will let you know, or you will realize what all where all things you can improve. So with this, let's begin with this particular dialogue. It's a very different one and contains a lot of complex words, so it will be very good for practice, especially the test takers. This is a dialogue between a doctor and an international student. The student is showing symptoms of depression. The dialogue begins now. Good morning, Nishant. Please come in and have a seat. Good to see you here today. नमस्ते टेरेसा जी, धन्यवाद। मैं पहले से बेहतर महसूस कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन थोड़ी घबराहट हो रही है क्योंकि मैं पहले कभी अस्पताल में दाखिल नहीं हुआ हूँ। Nishant, depression in young people is quite common these days. It should not be neglected. It is better to take medical assistance to treat it. जी बिल्कुल, दुभाषिया को बुलाने के लिए शुक्रिया, नहीं तो आपसे संचार करना बहुत कठिन हो जाता। Well, being an immigrant at this youthful age can be one of the reason. I understand that it is difficult to cope up in a new country where you don't know anyone. I would like to know more about it from you, about how you feel. मेरा अपने घर से बाहर निकलने का और किसी से भी वार्तालाप करने का दिल नहीं करता। बस दिल करता है कि घर में बैठा रहूं और किसी से ना मिलूं, यहाँ तक कि अपने पारिवारिक सदस्यों से भी नहीं। I understand that people with depression usually tend to enjoy their own company and they like to withdraw from the social activities or meeting friends and family. Can you please tell me more about how you feel? ऐसा लगता है कि मैं किसी योग्य नहीं हूँ। मुझे बहुत अकेलापन महसूस होता है और कभी-कभी तो रोना भी आता है। अपने मित्रों से भी मिलने का दिल नहीं करता। क्या ये उदासीनता है? I see. Do you also face difficulty in sleeping or loss of appetite while you study or do anything? Do you feel difficulty in concentrating on your work or any trouble in making decisions and remembering things? नहीं, ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं हुआ, लेकिन मुझे नींद की गोलियां लेने की आदत पड़ गई है और अपनी खराब अंग्रेजी के कारण पढ़ाई करने में भी समस्या होती है। All right. Do you have any suicidal thoughts or do you face any difficulty in communicating with other people? नहीं, मैंने कभी आत्महत्या के बारे में तो नहीं सोचा, लेकिन मैं यहाँ के स्थानीय लोगों से बात करने में बहुत हिचकिचाता हूँ। Don't worry, Nishant. It doesn't really seem to be a depression problem. Immigrating at this youthful age without family seems to have triggered all these emotions in you. I would encourage you to socialize or engage yourself in leisure activities to overcome these emotions. जी डॉक्टर, जैसा आपने कहा मैं वैसा ही करूँगा। आपके समय के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। So guys, this was another dialogue number 70, about a person who is showing some symptoms of depression. So hence he has come to meet a doctor. So I really hope that you like the content and it gives you something new to practice. If you like it, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Okay, and also please let others know about the channel so that more and more people can practice from it and get the required help that they need for the NATI exam. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day guys, and all the very best for the upcoming NATI exams. Please do let me know how it goes for you, and please connect with me in the Telegram channel if you need any help or support. And also there are many other aspirants in the channel with whom you can connect, and they can also guide you for the NATI exam. So thank you so much. Have a nice day guys. Bye bye.